Since I came back, you haven't been yourself. What's the problem?
Your dad has a serious problem.
What? My dad? What's the problem?
Remember I told you Chinedu went to the market, right?
Yeah, you said so.
Well, I lied. Chinedu is missing.
Jesus Christ. What happened?
I don't know. He just left. His number has been switched off.
Did my dad quarrel with him?
Nobody quarreled with him. Nobody quarreled with him. I don't understand what is going on.
Did he leave with my dad this morning?
Your daddy said nothing is missing.
Could it be?
I don't know. Huh? And the police, they've been looking for him, but there's not been any positive results. And the worst is that they're beginning to accuse your father of his disappearance. I'm just so worried.
Was that why he left to the village?
He's supposed to come back today. I'm so confused. I don't understand.
It's okay, Mommy. Everything's going to be okay.
It's not okay.
It's okay.
Mama, it's okay now, eh? It's okay. Why are you still crying?
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
I want to buy me a chin-chin.
Oh, okay. One, huh?
Yes.
Thank you. Market. What is happening to you? Market, what is it? What is it?
Igo came here with her daughter and accused Kevin, my son, that my son used her son for ritual.
Hey. Ebolugo.
Papa, the way these people are going about this is uncalled for. Why would they think of my brother as such? Why? They are forgetting the fact that this young man left the house and did not come back. Who knows? He might have eloped my brother's money. We're not thinking about that possibility, Papa.
Shut up. Weber.
I've said my mind, though. The fact that I'm keeping quiet doesn't mean I don't know what to say. I know what to say, Papa.
No. Stop crying, eh? Stop crying. Don't worry. With time, we shall know the truth. Huh?
He's paining me. He's paining me because I forced my son to carry that boy to the city. Look at it now. What kind of problem is this now? Hey.
Don't worry. The truth shall come out with time. Oh? Stop crying. Don't cry anymore. Relax. The truth shall come out. Oh? Okonko, I was actually on my way to your house. You see, if I go for Baboso, your wife came to my house and told my wife that my son Kevin used your son for money ritual.
Well, as a matter of fact, my wife went to see a prophetess. And the prophetess told my wife that your son Kevin used my son Chinedu for money ritual. So the woman is saying exactly what she learns from the prophetess.
No, Okonkwo. That is not possible. You know it can be possible. My son cannot do money ritual. Talk more of using your son. Eh? I did not bring him up like that. You see, all these false prophets and prophetesses, one have to deal with them with carefulness.
Well, whichever way, whatever happened, yeah? All I know is that if Kevin actually used my son Chinedu for money ritual, this land on which we stand shall fight for me. This land shall deal with Kevin decisively.
Huh? Ọnwụnwa onye nọkọta ọnọkwudo ofu.
Ganja man. If na wetin no get head, you go carry am put for head. Prophet tell your male say your brother they use am for ritual. You dey here, they say I will do. Oga do am now, make we see. Do am, make we see am. You know work oh.
Nah, that guy get liver. Why name? That guy get liver. Use your blood, brother, our blood for ritual. You don't know, say as we did together for this community, all of us not blood. You go get mine, use your own blood for ritual. One name, this thing is not too long. We could cut her short, make everything short. Do the thing now, make the daytime they so. You dey waste time, eh? See, make I tell you. Do me, I do you.
God no go vex.
You no go vex now. You no go vex. Why you delay this matter? The blood of my innocent brother will not go in vain. I swear with my life I will disturb this whole community. Nobody will rest. Even you people. Until they tell me what happened to my brother.
Okay, no, they include us. Wetin we do? We no do anything. We no follow. Na long story you dey talk. If you see this guy anywhere, kpai am, kill am, make you know say you don comot. They dey talk long story.
We no want rest. We know the rest before now. Do this thing now, short, make everything, make the story not too long. You go enter story line, no go fit do anything again. Do one and make everything short. We go come up for ya. If na bush wan enter, we go know say na bush wan enter. Why you dey delay now? You dey prolong this matter. Huh? Why you dey do like that? See, when I dem this year, and the thing they vex me. When I dem this year and the thing they vex me. Hakwana, wetin come be all these things? Seek God, even you serve them this year. You don't know what you have to do. Me ganja, you don't know what you have to do. You go too long.
Let's sample am now.
Nah, you like small Kevin, they use your blood and money. Your blood and blood to the shop money. Quiet. You dey take wetin you go picture. You never do am. That story clear. The story clear. You reason on your own clear. You got that money like.
Hello, Kevin. I'm good, my son. No, not at all. Things are not going well. Mama Chinedu came here early this morning to accuse you of being a ritualist. She said you used her son for rituals. You don't need to tell me, my son. I know you didn't do it. But the villagers think otherwise. Some of them have started believing it. You have to come back and clear yourself. Yes. You have to come back, possibly today. Oh? Better. Thank you.
Chioma, you're undergraduate. I tell you this because your reasoning is supposed to be better than that of your parents and of your Igbo brother.
I take an exception to that.
I'm sorry, I mean no insult. But let the truth be told. Tell your parents what they need to hear so that they can at least calm down a little.
What is it they need to hear?
That my brother did not use your brother for ritual.
The prophetess said it, not us.
Oh, please spare me that. Do you actually believe in that prophetess? For crying out loud, you're undergraduates.
Oh, listen, what is it? Could you please stop this your undergraduate of a thing? Stop it. I'm tired of hearing it. Let me make it clear to you. Kelvin should say the truth and shame the devil.
Really?
Yes.
Chairman, it is very obvious that you have joined them. I actually thought you were my friend.
Who is your friend? Me? Listen, let me tell you. Do not wait for this holiday to be over. Go to our lodge. Pack every of your thing in my room. Because if I go back to that school and meet your stuffs in my room, I will not only throw them away, but burn them to ashes. Oh, rubbish.
Are you serious?
In case you don't know, your brother used my brother for rituals.
He did not.
And in no time to come, this village will not contain any of us.
Choma, my brother is innocent and you have no right to throw my things out. I'm also paying for that apartment, you know. What's she even talking about? I also paid for that apartment.
Hey, let me Kevin be this. Jesus. So this guy don't buy car. This is never just mellow. The guy just go buy car. Hey, this guy get liver. Oh. Hey, shouldn't do head now for ritual money. True. This guy get mind. Ganja man. Hey.
Ndoka, talk to me now. What happened?
I saw Kevin with my with my naked eye. Kevin entered this village with tear rubber. Nah, I told you waterproof. Tear rubber. Now he carry enter this village.
Robert, be serious now. What are you?
Now, which one be serious?
Guy, talk to me now. What's happened?
I see him now when Kevin they walk off road now.
You see Kevin?
I see Kevin.
For
Now
this
when your brother na bolo Kevin ego. Your brother they vomit money for Kevin. On a body ego. Okwa chassis. Okwa mint. Kona boria. They vomit mint for your brother. They dear now. Ha. Tear rubber. When he sees. Na chika mo.
Ayade! Ayade!
Kevin.
Mama, how are you?
I'm fine.
Papa, give Uncle Kekime.
My son, how come?
I am also surprised. How come the car?
Who is that?
Onyekwa?
Hey, that's Chinedu's elder brother.
Leave me alone. Wait. See, Papa, leave me alone now. What is it? Leave me alone now. Gabby, come out here. See, I'll burn down this car. Ekela, hold him. You don't want. Leave me alone. Wait. I'll make sure I burn this car. I'll make sure I burn this car. You use my own brother. My own brother. My God. Give me that like that now. Wait. You, Gavin.
I said it all. Nobody believed me. Nobody believed. Hey!
Ndoka. Itaro ose gbuom n'anya. You have the heart to chew pepper and spit into my eyes. Yeah. Mba atagi. Ntasagi nori. I will bathe you in frying oil.
Papa, allow me to do what is in my mind, and what is all this? Papa, allow me to do what is in my mind. What is all this now? Kevin, I swear you must hear from me. You must hear from me. My own blood.
That car is my car. That car is your car. So what they're saying is the truth.
Kevin, are you a ritualist?
Papa, what are you talking about? Why must you say a thing like that?
How did you get the money you used to buy that car you returned home with?
Kevin, I gave birth to you. I carried you in my womb for 9 months. Ever since you've been coming to this village, you have never come back with a car. How come this period? Eh? Why will you come back with a car this time around?
Mama, I am not a ritualist. If that is what you're thinking of.
Brother, I think I understand what Mama and Papa are talking about. Just think about it. For the past 7 years Chinedu was with you, you had no car.
Exactly.
All of a sudden, after his disappearance, you got yourself a new car. If you were Okonkwo and his family, what would you think? Or what would you feel?
Anyway, I didn't think it that way. But all the same...
What if? What if what? What are you even saying? You should have used your brain. You should have come back home with that car. Even if you bought it genuinely. Not at this period of time. Your wife should have even stopped you from bringing that car back to this village.
Mama, the thing is that I demanded for that car before the disappearance of Chinedu. Yes, that is the truth.
Kelvin,
No.
the way you say Abuni and no, you know, Mama Emeka, and why is Ninja? Why there's even a line on why and the highest. Before Mama Emeka were a reason to Abia. See, there's this business. I came with a business proposal, and also a good news.
Okay, what happened?
There's this business I want to do. It's a very, very lucrative business, but I'm out of cash, so I want to bring you in so we can do the business together.
Okay. I'm hearing you, okay.
It's a very nice business. You will like it.
How much are we talking about?
We're talking about approximately 10 million.
Huh?
Yes.
10 million?
Yes.
You want me to put 10 million naira in the business? If I remove 10 million naira from my own business now, tomorrow morning I'll be in the village farming.
It's not what you think. You see what I'm talking about now? This kind of business now will change our lives. It will change your life, it will change my life for good. Yes, I'm not joking. People are already doing it. And they are making it. So I can't handle it alone. I decided to come and share it with you. As a matter of fact, a friend of mine introduced me into the business.
Okay, someone introduced you into the business?
Yes.
That person would have joined you in that business now.
You know all these rich men and their ways now, and that is just the problem. He cannot do it. So trust me, this business will change our lives for good. Trust me, Kelvin. You should know me now. You should know me when I bring ideas like this. It always works.
No problem, I'll think about it. I'll think about it.
Yeah. But I'm not saying you should bring the whole...
I'll think about it.
I'm not saying you should bring the whole 10 million. Some, just like some ways we'll combine.
No problem.
Okay. One now.
Thank you, dear. Sweetheart, my friend Ben came to the shop today. He told me about a business he wants us to invest in.
Is that why you've been worried?
I don't even know why I'm so restless. I don't even know why.
But honey, Ben has been your longtime friend. You both have done lots of businesses together in the past. So I'm not sure he would want to do something that will not profit you.
I'm not even talking about profit. I'm talking about money. I don't have the money to invest in that business.
Honey, I don't understand. If you don't have the money to invest in the business, then forget it. Don't let it bother you. Honey, you've not gone to the market.
I am devastated. I am confused. I can't stay. I can't concentrate. How can I be in the market when I've not heard from Ben?
Don't worry. Everything will be fine. Oh?
How are you? Confused.
Now, cheers, man.
To successful business.
Thank you so much. You're a good friend indeed.
You see the way you're sounding now?
Yes.
When I brought the business to you that very day, you treated me like trash, like a piece of paper.
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. You see, if I didn't do that business, I don't know what would have become of me.
Look at you now. Look at the way you're smiling.
I'm so happy.
You know?
Thank you so much. Thank you. I really do appreciate.
What are friends for?
Yeah?
But
thank you, man.
You're not in the village right now. I remember your word that very day.
And now I'm going to put 10 million from my business. Jeez, I was so scared of doing that.
No worry, more information, more updates, more deals will come. I will always introduce you. You're a very good friend.
So, the business I did yielded a lot of profit, okay? Even though it didn't come when I expected, when I lost hope. But all the same, I still had to buy a car, at least.
Must it be this period?
Exactly. Papa, I don't understand. What are you guys even talking about?
You're not getting my point. Fine, you can get any car of your choice, but you would have left it in the city. You shouldn't have come back home with it. You are just confirming their suspicion. That is what you're doing.
We'll see my son. Tell him to come back. Obia bawa gonne. Mama na jogi. Chinedu wanem. Nena jogi. Chinedu wanem. Banya fulu chinedu. We'll see my son. Tell him to come back. Obia bawa gonne.
Kevin, from generation to generation, it will never be well with you. You will suffer. You shall beg for death, but it shall be far from you.
Joma.
You're welcome. Choma, where is your brother?
Ah, who are you asking after? That one? Eh? How do you expect to see him at home by this time?
Mama. How did the meeting go? What did the elders say?
The meeting did not hold.
What? Why? Why was the meeting not held?
The eldest wasn't feeling better. So, they had to reschedule the meeting.
Mama.
Hmm?
Are you sure those people are not up to something? Are you sure they are not siding that evil man?
Chuma, get me water to drink.
Mama, you're tired. Let's go inside so you drink the water and rest at once. Hmm? Let's go inside.
Chinedu abagona kuko.
Let's go inside now.
Where are you? Chipunedu mama, where are you? Chipunedu wandemo, I beg you no. No matter what, please show us your face. Wherever you are, please come back to us. Mama na jogi, chinedu wandemo.
I'm not happy.
What is it?
That evil man is planning on going back to the city without the issue being addressed by the elders.
Are you serious? So what think will happen now? The meeting no hold again?
No. They said the eldest is sick, hence they rescheduled.
No, now. Kevin owes us an explanation. Kevin owes us an explanation. I told this man to allow me handle him, but he refused. What is all this? Go.
Who?
Our father, of course.
Jidofo, we need to do something. We need to stop that man from going back to the city. I know what you can do. I know you can do it with your friends. That man slapped us too hard. He slapped us too hard that he left his fingerprints on our cheeks. We need to retaliate. I know we don't have money, but at least we can fight. Let us fight. Let us tell him that without money, we can still do something. Let us prove him wrong. Who is Kelvin?
Ayade! Ayade!
From your statement here, I learned that you have reported this case where you live in the city.
Yeah. As I speak to you right now, the investigation is ongoing.
Which state is that?
Delta State.
Which jurisdiction?
B-Zone, Wando Road.
What is your full name?
Kevin Ndukauka.
Temptation, yeah, troubles everywhere. Abonyage kulumonu nakamudioche kapwete. Rakubanumo nakamudioche. Who will speak for me? Whenever tired, let's be my answer clean. My answer clean. Let's be I have no hands in this. Rakubanumo nakamudioche. Yachimobumo whenever tired. Let's be my hands are clean. Let's be I have no hands in this. Temptation, I gotta go my troubles everywhere. Sabu, I gotta go my room. I'm where she can see. Temptation, yeah, troubles everywhere.
Yes, I go slap your face now. You know, you're mad. See, if not be for one thing, I could just mend your whole family. What's in be all this things, self?
Calm down.
Rabba, know they hold me now. Waiting come be all these things now.
Jidofo, leave my way. The place I'm going now is very important. So leave my way.
Okay, come back. I talk to you.
Bros,
Where you want to go now?
You know what thing they
If I
evolve
slap, Rabba, waiting come be all these things now.
You don't do now. You don't see. You know what thing they evolve? Or make villagers no come here meet us. So I know they, man, no they. Leave him now. You don't
come back and come to the talk
now.
What make us slap your face?
People go see us, though. I know, no put me for trouble, though. No even put me for trouble. Where they go? Where they go?
Temptation, gotta go, my troubles everywhere. Sabu, gotta go, my room, I'm where she can see. Temptation, yeah, troubles everywhere. Temptation, yeah, troubles everywhere.
Also Kelvin. I will make Kelvin understand that I'm a woman and I know how to use the strength of a woman in me. I will deal with him. I will come.
Who are you? I will lose my last strength and fight you. Just imagine. Papa, just imagine. They've released that bastard.
Chimo.
I'm not saying go don't bribe them. Just imagine. Nah.
Ndoka and his family. They're intimidating me because I don't have money, eh? Because I don't have money. Anyway, this land on which we stand shall fight for me. This land will fight for me till the end.
Papa, see. Papa, let me tell you something. If after the meeting with the elders and nothing positive comes out, Papa, I will take the bull by the horn. Who is Kevin? Nonsense!
Why? These people are just wicked. But the gods of Amanko will fight for us. The gods of Amanko community will fight for our cause. Amen. Amen. Kevin will suffer. Kevin, from generation to generation, you will know no peace. You will suffer. You will beg for food. Kevin, you will go into the market naked.
Nonsense.
As for those useless police that collected bribe from him and released him, they will so die miserably.
Nonsense.
Dala.
Kevin, just wait for me. I am coming for you, idiots. I am there. Just wait for me.
You have to mobilize your people, Jidofo. Mobilize your people. Who is Kelvin? Can I tell people? Bring your boys. Let's go and deal with him. I said this earlier, but no one listened to me. You called it a fake prophecy. Now what is going on? Where is Chinedu? Where is my son? Hey. Hallelujah.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Okay, fine. I will get to the root of this matter. See this case? These people have touched the real heart of
The real heart of what?
You get what I'm saying?
The real heart of what? When I was saying it, what did you do? Eh?
Hi.
What?
Hey, sister. Papa is fine. Sister, just that Papa Wahala is increasing every day. That man is becoming difficult. Okay, fine. I'll do as you said. Shoma is fine. She's even here with me. Okay. She said I should give it the phone.
Aproko girl. You too like gist. My sister, that was how we saw it. Kevin used my brother for money ritual. What to do? It is well. That one. I don't know anything about her and I don't want to know. She called you? Of course I did it. I asked her to go there and pack her things, but she thought I was joking. So I did what I had in mind. I threw everything away. She should be happy I did not even burn her stuffs. My dear, you know me now. You know say I be no nonsense.
Choma, I want
girl.
to talk to you.
Jennifer, I'll call you back. What is it?
Why did you throw my properties outside?
Was that why you interrupted me?
Is it not enough reason for me to interrupt you? I'm also paying for that apartment, you know. So you have no right whatsoever to throw my things outside. So I ask you why?
The thing is that I'm not in for this crap you were saying. I don't have time for it.
Oh, come back here. I am not done talking with you. Come back here. Yay. Why did you throw my properties outside? Are you mad?
Hey! How dare you lay your filthy hands on me? Have you gone nuts? Are you stupid?
Hey. Chuma, you slapped me.
Of course, sir. We do it over and over again.
After throwing my properties outside, you have the
You
guts
should...
to... Hey, it's okay. It's okay. Hey, it's okay. Oh, it's okay. Somebody help us. Today? No. Today. She people know she's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay now. It's okay. You found my mother ritualist and you had to go to... It's okay. Oh. It's okay now. Listen, it's okay. Hey! It's okay! Somebody help! Somebody help! It's okay! Oh! Hey! Stop! It's okay now!
Temptation, I carry go my troubles everywhere. The Sabu, I carry go my room. I'm where she can see. Temptation, troubles everywhere.
Not Chioma. Wow. Chioma had the guts, the effrontery to throw my properties outside.
Why would she do that now? If she doesn't want you to stay in that house again, she should have told you to pack your things instead of throwing it away.
She doesn't even have any right to tell me not to stay in that apartment because I'm also paying for that house. She doesn't have the rights.
So where's your property?
Well, I kept them in one of my friend's house. But you see, Chioma will never go scot-free. She must pay me back those properties.
Calm down. You know they are already looking for trouble. You know why. So don't bother yourself. Just let it be. Move on.
I don't care, Mama. Do I look like I care? I don't care. I am not afraid of Chioma. Why would she throw my properties outside? For what?
Calm down. It's okay. Oh, sorry. It's okay. Calm down. Don't worry. We'll look for her.
Mama, we're not solving anything. Chioma will pay me for my properties. She doesn't have any right to throw my properties outside. I'm paying for that apartment, you know.
Mama, I so dealt with her. I made sure she will forever regret ever coming to question me.
Hey! Agomana. Negi biye monoga. See, next time if she tries that, pluck one of her eyes and bring it back home to me.
Not just her eyes, Mama. You see those 2 oranges on her chest that makes her a woman? I will cut them off and bring home to you.
Cut them off and bring it back home to me. What is that? Huh?
Useless people.
Oh God.
Double.
After using my son for ritual, she has the guts to come and fight you. Nebe! Ebe mmadụ nọ ka ebe mmadụ anọrọ.
Okay, na afụnụ. Iche na ọgba aka. Ọgbara aka. Because I'm the least person Blessing should have fought. I'm the least person she should have fought. Eh? Why is she fighting me? Mana ọbara nwanne m fa bụ ife mechi ife anya. Who is Blessing? Onye ka Blessing bụ? She is just a rat. Ofe nkupu nkulie nkusi ya n'akụkụ. I will so beat her. I am meti abuta ngwanchi. I am ready for her physically, spiritually. Mgbe ọbụla o ji bịa, I'm ready.
Next time, beat her to a pulp. Make sure na gị na ji kefe 8 na dobe.
Mama, maka na ị nọrọ ebe a. Mụ na Blessing say siki for na ana. Akụ n'ife, you know I'm not a good storyteller. I dealt with her. Akụ m ya ihe tinka na akụpan. I dealt with her. Onye ala. I'm always ready for her. I'm ready. You and her na-ezuzu ya le ọgbara aka. The blood of my brother has covered their eyes. Ha na-asọyalizi isi. The blood of Chinedu will never allow Blessing and her family to have peace. Chinedu nwanne m. Ebe ọbụna ị nọ. Ask him, do not allow them to have rest. Fight. Keep fighting. Do not allow Kevin and his family to know peace until he confesses his sins. Do not allow your blood to be shed in vain.
The gods of Amanko community. The gods of Amanko community. I no sleep as a gamba saloon, but I come to you with all humility. Fight my cause. Kevin, you will know no peace until you confesses your sin.
Say.
My son's blood will never be spilled in vain.
Say.
You and your generation will not have peace, Kevin.
Say.
Your children unborn, everything that makes you a man will vanish. You will toil and toil and toil in vain.
Say.
Until you confess how you killed my son. Unless there are no gods in Amanko community. Unless there are no gods in Amanko community. Unless there is no God. Unless there is no big deity that makes the 4 corners of this community. And unless there are no gods, unless there are no gods in Amanko, gods of Amanko, avenge my son's death. Gods of Amanko, avenge my son's death. Gods of Amanko.
Please, as our tradition demands, I come to you with this bottle of gin. You see, for 7 years now, my son Chinedu, you all know him, has been under the tutelage of Kevin here, Kevin, the son of Ndoka. This is according to the agreement we had. And of course, this agreement stipulates that my son Chinedu will serve him for 6 years. After which, he will settle Chinedu so that the young man can start on his own. Now this is the 7th year. Anram team. Anram Yom. I've had several meetings with them concerning this settlement. Kevin.
So?
It's exactly 7 years since my son got to your house. And I remember very well that we agreed on 6 years for him to serve you. And then you settle him. So what is happening?
Oh, no, nothing is happening. You're right. Yes, Chinedu has actually completed 6 years, but I want him to use this year as an additional year. Okay, I'm going to settle him very soon. If not for anything, Chinedu is your son, and I mean, he has done perfectly well, both in my business and at home. So.
So, after they left, I did not hear from them again. He did not call me. My son Chinedu did not call me. Even his wife, who used to call me, regularly to inquire after our health and her condition, I did not hear from her until 2 weeks ago, when he, Kevin, and his father here, Nduka, came to me to tell me that my son Chinedu is missing. Missing just like that. Yeah?
Missing?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, hopefully.
Miss.
Oh, Jim. Okonkwo. You just told us what happened. And we haven't heard from Nduka's son. Let us hear from him before taking judgment. Kevin. You heard what Okonkwo said. What do you have to say?
Nature Kanemunu. Naya Kokwo has actually said all that happened. They're all true. Yes, but on that fateful morning, I was sitting at my living room, relaxing, while Chinedu walked in to tell me that he's about going to the market.
Did you say you have no hands in disappearance of the son of Okonkwo?
But I have no hand in his disappearance.
Brother, I know why Papa is saying this, and I know you do too. The deity of this land does not spare anyone that is guilty. It kills instantly and takes the person's property. Of course you are aware of that.